Okay, 2012 Honda CB1000R. Tidy bike really, done 34,500 miles. But it has been looked after. Nice colour scheme. Traditional sort of naked muscle bike this. Still good looking. Upside down forks. It's got crash bungs on it. It's got a REMUS silencer, which sounds quite nice actually. I think it's a REMUS exhaust system, isn't it? Let's have a look. Yes. Yeah, it's an exhaust system, that one. So it's got a full REMUS exhaust system on it. Tail tidy's already on, saves you having to do that. Carbon hugger. All the consumables are good tyres, etc. So it'll go through our workshop anyway before it leaves us. Little bit of damage on that crash bung there. It's obviously done its job. A few marks here and there. Got a tiny one on the headlamp cowl there, and I dare say you will find a few here and there, but on the whole a nice tidy presentable bike. Got the solo seat cover on it there, that just unclips. It's got the passenger seat underneath it. Oxford heated grips are on it. If they do work, we will leave them on as always. 34,519 miles. Typical Honda. Sounds lovely, rides really well, plenty of power. Dog leg front brake lever on it there as well. We'll leave that on. Obviously you can swap it back to a standard one if you'd like. That's pretty much it really, but as I say, definitely worth a look. Nice, tidy, presentable, good usable muscle bike really. So it's a 2012 CB1000R Honda. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. As always, you are welcome to pop in and view the bike. If you do need delivery, finance or any further details, or even a part exchange price on your old bike, by all means give us a call or come and see us. See you soon.